When white people came together and said, you know what, the blacks ain't gonna drink water here, they did it. But when it's time for black people come together, on the field. I was watching a podcast and the woman said the man them fold up them stress.
Squash is out of you?
Yes.
So tell me about that.
So Mrs. Sam did, we didn't know said them then I hold him for long enough.
You have any advice for your favorite artist?
Squash, please. Please, baby, I'm talking to you now. Okay?
Alright, checking it. This is Datz Trending episode. I'm currently trending live. I don't know Brooke Valentine in the
House, as usual.
that is it. That's a code. And this is another episode on currently trending live. Find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it, we're on there. Zane. So this is one of our weekly reviews. So when we have weekly reviews, it's normally hot topics or very popular topics that we review, dissect, give our opinion. So don't judge us. We're just giving our simple opinion.
Please.
Zane, but first, people, like this video. Tell me when you like it. Give a second. You like it yet? Alright. Drop a comment if you so wish. But like the video. Share the video. This is currently trending live. Stop it, Brooke.
First topic. The Jamaican government received 1.5 million USD to promote trans and gays in Jamaica. Allegedly.
Wow.
Wow. Enough money that, huh?
So first of all, allegedly, but I think when you hear something, them always just say, if you not go say it, nearly go say. So I wouldn't be surprised if it is so, because the Jamaica that I know 10, 15, 20 years ago
it gone.
is not the same Jamaica right
Jesus.
now. They have gay rights. They are protected. They're uptown. And then bold. I just feel like with the news report, it's could be true.
It could be.
It's crazy how that rumor come out now. But leave in the comment section what do you think about this rumor of them receiving money to endorse or even enforce or make people feel like it's just normal for the LGBTQ.
Yeah. And what am I do with the money? Where's the money going?
To go in.
Is it going to the gays?
Society. I don't know. But all I know is, yeah, leave that one there alone.
Okay. All right.
Next up.
Vybz Kartel speaking on still taking care of his baby mothers.
Commendable.
I think, okay.
Once you have the money.
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not? So, or you feel like, all right, them have a man, or the man them feel?
Well, here's the thing. If you have kids with the ladies, and I learned this from Omarion. Omarion once said that when his girlfriend, which is April, she went and sleep with his best friend.
Oh, I remember that fizz.
Yeah, and Omarion said something that was very important. Him say, yo, if she want to be happy, go be happy. And him say to the interviewer that it's important for her to be okay for him, because if she's not okay, his kids are not going to be okay.
That's true.
So he was thinking from an empathetic perspective that he might not agree with our action. He must say, do your thing.
Yeah.
I'm not going to make it worse for you. I'm not going to add to your stress. I'm not going to do nothing more than support you.
Okay.
Do you. And you see that Fizz end up banging woman.
And him left.
Apologize to you. And them left. So
Yeah.
sometimes it goes to tell you that you want to feel or want to think it's fun. Sometimes necessarily it's not fun. It's really,
definitely not.
It's really just you getting used.
Yeah.
It's me. So for Vybz Kartel to say him still take care of him kid's mother, my point is, if your kid's mother mind in a right place when it's not from, especially from a financial place, she gonna be a good mother. She gonna be her best self, because she not have to worry about that aspect.
That's true. Because I make the millions, you know, USD.
I mean, this,
So.
that him love say that?
Yeah, him say that. USD. Okay?
Man,
Not JMD.
Big up Vybz Kartel. I think it's commendable. I'm saying love Shorty.
Oh.
And I will always say this. He will always love Shorty. That's his kid's mother.
You think Shorty feel away?
Of course.
Would I feel away?
She might not feel away where she want him back, but she feel away it never work. You know them way they like you move on, so you know like she not sad, she not with him.
But that she should have the like the awards and them so.
She should have been the first lady then.
Yeah.
Definitely. But a man will leave a woman when love for a woman will believe in him.
That's true.
7 days.
Because she didn't believe. She started to.
She
but
believe.
At first.
The belief become like unsure.
Yeah.
So you can see she never have it for a long period of time.
Mm-hmm.
But it is what it is. If she hadn't been meant to be forever, it would have been.
That's true.
That's why you can break up and start another relationship. But again, I commend him for taking care of his baby mothers.
Yes.
Or sending them or making sure that they're taken care of.
Mm-hmm.
The mental health of a woman is important.
That is true.
And she's her best self. And if she have a man, I think she'll get money from Kartel. Kartel not sleep with none of them.
Yeah.
Independent. Say if you need something for the kids or you're in a spot, me gonna help you. I feel like other perspective them from.
That's what I think too.
An allowance.
Yeah.
You know, like if them in a spot and she say, yo, you know, say they in a spot and I want you help me with this. I say, alright, I got you.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's okay. Being mature.
Yes, big up Kartel. Love that. And speaking of Kartel, he's coming to New York.
Alright, so big show in New York.
You going?
Vybz Kartel show.
Are we going?
It's a Gaza thing.
We need it, man.
I think that's gonna be a big event.
It's my God.
20 years since Vybz Kartel has been in the United States.
Mm-hmm.
On any form of stage. Bro, this is gonna be epic.
I want go, but me no want go.
In Jamaica, so let me tell you something. It's gonna be a vibe.
Oh, it's gonna be packed.
So, people that are a fan of Vybz Kartel did not get to go to the Freedom Street.
Yes.
And here is an opportunity.
Please.
In the land of the USA, New York City.
Are we going?
Vybz Kartel will be in the building and so is currently trending.
Yes.
Live.
Good. We will be there.
It's gonna be a vibe. I'm gonna get there. Does Kartel make sure to get them affordable, bro?
Please. I'm broke like dog, so just.
But yeah, I think it's gonna be a great show. And
I think it is.
For the most part, Vybz Kartel has been headlining a lot of shows that are actually relevant.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. And in spite of all of that, he's also marketing his street vibes rum. Everywhere him go before Kartel done this year, street vibes I'm gonna in every Caribbean island.
I want to try, but I'm afraid. Cause I rum, you know. Me not really mess with rum.
I feel like we should definitely do a review on it.
We should.
I do.
And all of them?
No, just maybe the fever, because I heard that it's one of the most popular one, and it has the highest percentage of rum. But
okay,
I heard they keep saying it's smooth. So,
I know somebody we can get it from.
Yeah, we need to try that. So people, if you know anyone, we can get it from.
No, me already know. We're gonna link up Rocket Boys, and that's how we're gonna get it.
That's a code. So
yes.
Street vibes. Big up on yourself. Big up Vybz Kartel. Big up the Gaza family.
Yes.
And we're looking forward to see Vybz Kartel live in the USA.
Excited. The DEI blackout.
Okay. So.
Did you participate?
Yes.
Okay.
So economy blackout is February 28th.
Support no traders. Hit them where it hurts. No Amazon, no Walmart, no Target.
So, I think the blackout is more so that they can see that black people money matter. Whereas a lot of people don't understand that. Sometimes some places think say, yo, you don't matter, so you just use the money as a way to say, hey, well, we don't matter, let's see.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I think that's where that is coming from. I think it's a good strategy. So
it is.
They can see value in brown skin and black people or people in general if we do not spend money in these major institutions, because they have so much power, financial power and influence to show them the power of the people. It would be like Nelson Mandela doing his, fighting for the people. Back in the day, it's a movement like that. That's something look on it, like fighting for black people, fighting for rights, fighting for our recognition that we matter, and when we do things, it has an impact. So, you know what I mean? I think it's an irrelevant thing for us to do and participate in as people in general, not necessarily color, but I think this is more so colored people, black people. So
yeah.
We are showing them say, yo, we don't need it.
Definitely.
You see, we can spend our money elsewhere, and so when we don't spend our money, we sure someone to take a hit. Well, I want to like it.
Yeah, but a lot of people did not participate though. I saw a girl on Facebook and she gave a good point. She said When white people came together and said, you know what, the blacks ain't gonna drink water here, they did it. When the white people came together and said, you know what, we're gonna put crack in the black neighborhoods, they did it. When the white people came together, no matter what it was, they did it. But when it's time for black people come together, on the field, the amount of people me see on Facebook I talk about say rent for pay, them out of toilet paper. Like y'all knew y'all were out of stuff the day before, 2 days before, but no. And not true, black people not like work together. Me don't know what it is. Me don't know what it is, yo. Me don't know what it is. And I seen one person in the comments say, I feel like if black people didn't have this mentality, maybe slavery wouldn't even happen. If all the black people would have just come together and say, you know what, no, we not work for no white person, maybe it would have worked.
If we came together.
If we came together. But we can't come together.
Divided we fall.
Yeah.
Together we stand.
Exactly.
That's the point.
We outnumbered white people regardless.
Yeah, if there was a
come on, man.
Black people decided to them be crazy, they probably would have run out.
Yeah. Boy. Hopefully we can come together with something.
Or maybe eventually we can come together and show our unity in strength.
Yeah.
As one. As one people, one community, one nation, as people in general. I mean, there's some white people that support us. Yeah. They don't see skin color, they don't see race, They just see us being humans. So people, leave in the comment section what you think your feedback is on the Blackout. That's a code. What's next?
I was watching a podcast with Jay Frey, and him interviewed this woman, and the woman said the man them fold up them stress. What's your comment?
I feel like we live in a society right now where it is very taboo for a man to express himself. I think women are socially wired to think that if a man expresses himself,
yeah.
But actually, let's really look at it. Now I'm gonna ask the female that question, and then I want to hear what we're gonna comments or what we're being on the brain. I'm not even to tell me this, but let's think about this. Forget about the man you're with. Imagine your daughter have a boyfriend, and he might go through stress. He couldn't tell your daughter till him kill she or kill himself. Wait, stop.
Ooh.
Let's go deeper. Imagine your son can't talk to his wife. He want to say something to his wife, but he have to say it a certain type of way for she accept it. Make that make sense. I feel like a lot of people don't realize that these are some of the things that cause people to feel like they don't have no body.
Exactly.
And anytime somebody commits suicide or do something crazy, the first thing people say, he could have talked to somebody could have talked to him. But when you talk to somebody, you're going to shut it down.
Exactly.
So I think there should be a safe space where expression is accepted. I'm not talking about not being a man. I'm just saying just being able to express yourself as a male. Saying, you know, this bothers me. This make me feel this way. Because regardless of being male, you still have feelings. And yes, as a man, we're going to be macho most of the time. We're going to be hard. We're going to be masculine. We're going to be that guy. But there's a time where the softness really comes from the vulnerability of your partner.
Yes.
So when a person on the road can tell you, say, yo, I'm afraid of so. It's different than when a woman say, yo, leave me alone. You feel hurt that the person who you love tell you, say, leave me alone. Exactly. It cut like a deep. That's why I say, yo, I don't think a man should be soft, but a man should be able to talk.
To be able to, exactly.
And a woman should supposed to be able to relate to our man, because that's why it's called a relationship. You can't relate, the ship now go nowhere. Exactly.
And it be the same ladies that be like, you know what? I'm the table. That's what I bring here. I'm the table.
Well,
but I bring nothing.
To be honest,
no little leaning shoulder, nothing.
Any woman who can't really sit down and talk to a man, she really did it for money still.
Yeah.
Or convenience. Sometimes not her money. She have her money. I'm having money and it's more convenience. Meaning like, when I say convenient, if I was by myself, we rent it a bit more expensive. So she just said, in there.
Yeah.
the convenience. If me want go up with a find a babysitter, him there. The
Exactly.
convenience of being with that person, you use that to your advantage to just have an easier life.
Mm-hmm.
And in that, she not loyal to you in most cases, because she don't really want you. Remember at that point, you're not useful, you're being used.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I'm saying? So you have to understand being useful or being used. Everybody should be useful, but then everybody forget used.
Exactly.
As a matter of fact, nobody gonna forget used.
Mm-hmm.
If you do it right.
That's true.
That's cool. What's next?
All right. Last question. Is the genius really a genius?
The producer, the genius, is a genius.
With his fine
Why
self.
say that? Be a hot song, be a hit song from way back from Miracle School, straight up to this point. He has recently done a collaboration with Massacre Shenseea, the hit and run song, which had mainstream success. He did a couple songs with a lot of big artists, and most of them when do it's just like them shoot. Jada Kingdom. What she said, I put it down on the wrong one.
Yep.
That was the genius. And now they're actually in the studio doing their thing again. The McGregor family is a special family. Because Kemar McGregor just recently did a song with Etana and Beanie Man. And it's a great, the family of them are just great producers.
Talented.
You see me? So big up Kemar McGregor, big up the genius, big up great production. And you have other young producers, obviously, like DJ Mac.
Yeah.
And a lot of other producers that are coming up in the game. But big up the genius because he has a unique touch to music. When he do something, man always try to make a difference.
Yeah.
Is a big up producer like Easy Are You Kidding Me? I did an interview with him recently and he produced the song Toast for Coffee. So you don't know, you have some great producers.
Great.
The genius, definitely.
Why would him touch something? Yeah, he's a genius.
Oh, number one topic for the day, and I mean, people just leave in a comment section your feedback. No, you never remember because saying Squash is in jail.
Oh wait, he's out.
Well, I know Squash is in jail. Squash is out of jail?
Yes.
So tell me about that.
So Mrs. Sam did. Oh, we didn't know said them didn't hold him for long enough. Yeah, them can't hold my man for long enough. But he is out.
All right, so he was caught on gun charges. You have any advice for your favorite artist?
Squash, please, baby, I'm talking to you now. Okay, let's relax a little bit. Let's put on the gun and just put out more music. I want to see no more show, Squash. I need to see you on a show. Me tired for your ear over the radio. I want to see you on a show. Me ear say you can't up on show because of the how much things you're in. Please. But let's put that down. Everybody knows you're a bad man. We know that. But we want to see Squash on stage. Okay? Please.
Yeah, you have to remember, just to wrap it up, people, Squash is one of our talented artists.
Yeah, I'm an artist.
But
that.
You have to also be realistic. Talent comes with it. And this is not to say that Squash is innocent or not innocent. I'm just saying things happen. It's like a wild west when they talk about Squash though. It's like who popped the gun first, who shoot, walk one over this and who. You know what I mean? There's a lot of rumors, but I'm never say this. Bro, at the end of the day, use Vybz Kartel's story as an inspiration.
Yes.
Use Tammy's story as an inspiration. Use Ninja Man's story as an inspiration. And just try a different path.
Yes.
Because Ninja Man currently serving time. Tamale was in jail for gun charge. Him come out, him do well.
Yeah.
Vybz Kartel did 13 years.
Yeah.
For your body where they can't find. And he come out. Us and
don't have the same look. Use Tory Lanez as an example.
Think them wrong, you.
Right now, me miss Tory Lanez of fuck. Miss him.
As a guide. So that's all I'm saying. Just use them thing there as a guide and try to do the right thing.
Please.
At the end of the day, after then a cup of coffee.
Because if you're not a 6 no girl no want you know.
Big up the 6 bars, big up the 6 cam. Big up all dancehall artists
yes.
in general. Big up the whole Gaza, big up Gully, big up Alkaline. No matter what you do in music, as long as it's great music, we represent for what is correct.
Yes.
At the end of the day, you know that. Cool. That is it.
Yes.